Howdy folks, just trying out my new camera up here. Pay attention to where I'm walking so I don't end up down there again. That fucking hurt. You can see it's high tide, close to it. Gorgeous day. It's been raining for days. It just stopped this morning. Got my favorite star up there shining down. Let's try the zoom features and see how they work. Whoa, that seems pretty clear, at least on here. 10x. Looks a little grainy. Yeah, let me know how this looks compared to my old phone. I don't think it'll compare to my Samsung camera, but you never know. I haven't really played with this camera on here at all yet, so I don't really know how it compares. I know it's fucking beautiful out. You can see, I don't know if you can. There's water flowing down through the waterfall. Sorry, sunlight makes me sneeze sometimes, which is why I'm not going down that way. If you look back in my videos, there's an old video from like 4 years ago, me going down that trail. And you'll see why I refuse to go down it when it's wet. Okay, gotta light my cigarette. Even on a day that's calm, there's almost always a breeze coming in off the ocean. You can see the marine layer kind of blowing up through here. That's pretty. A couple clouds in the sky. Yeah, for any longtime fans of my channel, you'll remember that that's the cliff I fell off a few years ago. I don't know if you can see that down there, but when the waves hit that little corner down there, they really blow up. Right down in that area. There goes one. And it used to be, there was an archway right there with a little tiny tunnel that came through. When the waves hit, it would work like a squirt gun and blow out that hole. It'd shoot way up the beach this way. I was thinking about taking my bike out for a ride, but the front tire is bald, which is how I managed to crash and break my collarbone and separate my shoulder. So I don't feel like swapping the other tire onto it right now, if at all. The other tire that I have is a couple years old. It's a way better tire. It has way more tread on it, but it's still kind of old. And I'm thinking it's just wait until next month when I can afford to buy a brand new tire. Throw it on there. They're like $50 for the ones I like. I know I can't afford to crash anymore. Just holding this phone up is making my arm hurt. Here we go. That's the same story the crow told me. It's the only one he knows. Like the morning sun he comes and like the wind he blows. Yeah, yeah, he blows. Yep. Are you threatening me? Yeah, this trail goes. Well, I can go ahead and go down here. Show you. As long as I'm super duper careful. It used to go out another 20 feet past here. And it's all down there, and there used to be a big blasted out dead tree there. Which is why I named this Eagle Tree Knob. It's one of the first times I sat down here. I was sitting about here. The tree was about 6-8 feet over that way. And the eagle come down and landed on it. Just kind of looked at me like, "What's up, dude?" So I started calling it Eagle Tree Knob. That's Cape Foulweather up there, and the next cape north of us. This is Ukinna Head over here with the lighthouse. Yeah, you can see that was exactly zero fun to fall down. That's true horizon. So, ring. Damn. Gorgeous day. I haven't seen any whales. They're going through. Of course, they always talk about this, that, and the other thing, migration. I see whales all the damn time, every month of the year. Doesn't seem to matter. I'm sure they're all different kinds of whales, but all I ever see is the top of their backs and the spray they blow out. Except on rare occasions when I catch them from the other side of the head when I'm looking down on them from up above. Which I don't go in the park much anymore. Not really sure why. More in the summertime when I can just ride my bike over there. Well, I guess I do know why. It's because my health has gotten to the point where I have real issues with climbing hills. And, you know, that's a hill. For real. No joking about that hill. Whew. Anyway, let me know how this camera does. Peace.